Hey there, thank you for joining me on the Affiliate Directive review. Hey there, good day to you. This is John-Hooks. Thank you for joining me for the Affiliate Directive review. And the Affiliate Directive by Trevor Carr, a proven, very good affiliate marketer and product creator. And so he has introduced a course to you. And let me first say that it is at a fantastic price. The price is going to go up January 1st of 2023. And so keep that in mind because you're getting it at just literally pennies on what it's going to go up to, which would be well worth it. And basically this is just a give back, to the community type deal that he is doing. So I am in the members area here. And so when you pick this up, this is what you'll see when you log in. It starts off with the welcome email. Then he has navigating the membership site, which first he goes into talking about his upgraded program, and then about the and then he has the wrong date on there, but the offer ends at midnight on the 31st December 2022. So the price goes up January 1st, 2023. All right. And so, and this is where we are here in the start here. Okay. We have the introduction, we have affiliate marketing explained, and there is video and, some script in each one. The main, of course, training is in the video. The script is just a summary or outline. All right. I would go to proof that it works. Shows you his income, live, overcoming the hurdles, and your traffic options. All right. Then we go on to the platforms. Introduction to it introduces the three major platforms for affiliate marketers, which are Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank. Next, we go into your affiliate directive. You get your core training introduction. Then you go into your preparation, your first audience, your first steps, the review, and traffic to your review. All right, and then over to number 4, conclusions and what's next, the recap and refresh, homework for you, and scaling up to 10K per month. And some bonus training, Headway Affiliate Beginner, Headway Affiliate Ascent, and Headway Affiliate Vendor Victory. And then the OTOs, if you didn't pick any of those up, and are here also. Oh, and here's the other one here with you, number 3. And I believe there's another one too, but we'll see that when we get over to the bonus page, which is where we're going to go right now, actually. So from YouTube, click the link beneath this video. You'll find it in the description. It says get my exclusive bonuses and the affiliate directive here. Click that link and it'll take you to this very page that we're on right now. Okay, so Trevor reveals the simple secret system that made him $12,000 in 1 week. All right. He's a former shiny object chaser, like a lot of us were, who trying to get started in online or affiliate marketing, and so he found his niche, found his process, and he is sharing that with you today because he's sharing his success. And we all want to see how someone that's successful, made their money, right? So at any time, go ahead and click any of the red banners on my bonus page here to get your copy of the affiliate directive. And in a nutshell, what is it about? It's a full membership site training program written and created by Trevor Carr to give newcomers to the Make Money Online niche the very best introduction to business with clear step-by-step guidance on how to make money fast, easily, and consistently. The training is broken down into 4 modules and consists of step-by-step videos that guide even a complete newbie to success, with the end goal to have them earning affiliate commissions as soon as possible. The front end is a full members area training program that will be sold for $197 after the launch expires. All right, so that's what I'm saying. So $197, and here's what it's going to cost you today. It's $12.95, but you can't help but to pay $7.95 because there is a exit page pop-up coupon that has a 5 off AD, 5 off affiliate directive. And so you can get it for $7.95 today. Take advantage of it. Jump on this now. All right, and then we have the OTOs here. We have OTO number 1, the Done For You program for $47. It's a review sheet, a review site presentation, a YouTube description template, bonus bundle docs, and bonuses. Short video training on how to use it all. OTO number 2, the Super Affiliate Directive for $67. The Secret Undercover Buyer List Hack and the Secret Agent Commission Accelerator and Advanced Training. All right, OTO number 3, the 8K in 7 days case study for $67. OTO number 4, 100% commission bump on the affiliate directive for $97. And so basically you have resale rights, and with that you get 100% commission on everything through the funnel. Then we have OTO number 5, the 21 VIP coaching program for $37. And this is basically on what he would do if he had to start from scratch, you know, taking you back down to the absolute basics, which is probably where, you know, most of us are if we're looking at getting a program like this. All right, so remember these key benefits. You know, you're going to discover the real reasons you've not made money. Exclusive, written and created by Trevor Carr. Everything he knows that works for fast cash online. Easy, simple solutions created by a former shiny object chaser. Never before revealed secrets. Step-by-step training, easy to follow, completely newbie friendly, guaranteed to be scam and BS free. All right, you have your money you have your money back guarantee here. At any time, as mentioned, go ahead and click on the any of the banners on my page here to get your copy of the affiliate directive today. And I have some bonuses that I'm giving to you also to start off with. The Millionaire Mindset Secrets, the ultimate guide to attracting everything that you want in life, whether it's money, you know, happiness, you know, sending kids off to college, new home, bigger home, new cars, better cars, you know, whatever it is, you need to have a mindset for it. And this is my exclusive digital download edition, which means it is a flip book. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you some free traffic to help get you on your way, all right? So you're going to get 5,000 guaranteed visitors, plus 2,500 text ads, plus 2,500 banner impressions. All right, bonus number 3, the YT Velocity. This is a set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. Bonus number 4, the monthly income system. And bonus number 5, how to build a buyer's list the easy way. An only but goodie here. All right, and so again, anytime, go ahead and click on any of the red banners on the page. The vendor does have some bonuses for you when you pick up the affiliate directive today. All right, in addition to my bonuses. All right, this is sold on the Warrior Plus platform, and so if you're not familiar with it, once you click on any of the red banners on my page, you're taken over to the sales page. You'll be able to click on the purchase button, and once you go through your secure checkout, you'll be taken to your purchase page on Warrior Plus. And on this page, you're going to be looking for 2 things. One is the green button, and that's where you're going to access the affiliate directive. And the blue button is where you're going to access the bonuses that I am giving you today when you purchase this through my link today. And that is pretty much it. Now, I want to go ahead and thank you for taking your time to watch this review. I hope it's very appealing to you. Go ahead and pick it up. Don't forget, because this price is going to go up in just a few days from now. And you don't want to miss out, you know, just because of the price. All right. So that is it. Enjoy the rest of your day. And as always, to your success.